It is Pantone Color of the Year time, and for a graphic designer, this is the most exciting time of the year. Today I will share a little bit about the Pantone Color of the Year and how you can use it in home decor without going overboard. So what is Pantone anyway? Pantone is the universal language of color that allows brands to keep their colors consistent. Instead of telling a manufacturer you want a kind of rosy pink with a hint of purple, you can pull out your handy swatch book and just give them a specific number to go by. I mean, I think there's something like 2,000 colors in this standardized number system from Pantone. So imagine all the adjectives you'd have to use to accurately describe all those colors. So thank you, Pantone, for simplifying things for us designers and helping to keep brands consistent everywhere. Oh, and hey, if you're new here, my name is Maria, and I love decorating my home and getting crafty. I share lots of ideas to help you get creative, even if you're not a designer. So my passion is helping others to grow their own creativity, and I truly believe everyone is creative in their own unique way. So make sure to click that little subscribe button if you like the idea of getting crafty in your own home. And I will be doing a day in the life of a graphic designer, so if you have any questions for me, then make sure to put them in the comment section below. Okay, now you know what Pantone is all about. So what is with this whole color of the year thing, and what is this year's color and why? Experts at the Pantone Color Institute, yes, they have a whole institute, they do a deep dive into what is going to be popular for the next year. They look at color influences in the entertainment industry, and they look at films and production, art collections, new artists, along with fashion, design, and even socio-economic conditions. Through these trend forecasts and a little color psychology, they're able to leverage the power and emotion of color through design. And that is something I can appreciate. So this year's color of the year is Pantone 173938, Very Peri. Pantone describes this as a sprightly, joyous color, which opens us up to a new vision as we rewrite our lives. I love this description of this periwinkle color. That's fun to say, periwinkle. But as Pantone describes, we are living in transformative times. Blue has always been known as a strong, grounded color, but I love how this shade of blue is more fun, more energetic, and it really does have that feeling of moving forward in a positive way. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section on this year's chosen color. So you know I love design and home decor, and I'm kind of curious now that it's 2022 if the home decor stores are reflecting the periwinkle trend. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along on a little shopping trip. I am headed out the door and I've got just a little bit of periwinkle on today. So let's go see what's out there. Okay, first stop, home goods. The first thing that caught my eye were these gorgeous velour chairs. I think these would be a great addition to a living room or home office to just add a bit of periwinkle without getting too crazy. So let's see, what are some other ways we can pull in that beautiful periwinkle color without breaking the bank? Ooh, so many pretty blankets. There are quite a few periwinkle options here, but I even like the ones that just have a line of periwinkle in them. Little subtle touches like that can add the trending color to your home without going overboard. Okay, I'm loving how Home Goods has everything organized by color. It's making my little designer heart happy. And look at this lovely vase. This thing is huge, and what a statement piece. And it's in that periwinkle color. Now, I didn't find solid periwinkle paintings, but I did find some shades of blue and paintings that included periwinkle in them. Paintings are a great way to swap something out and change the look of the room without doing something drastic like painting the whole wall. Okay, so I was pretty impressed with all of the periwinkle I found at HomeGoods. Let's head over to Target next. They're usually on trend with their home decor. Bins are a really great low-cost way to change up the look of your shelves and add some periwinkle color and pattern into your home. Let's see what Joanna Gaines has going on in the Magnolia collection. I'm seeing lots of blue over here. Pillows are another way to incorporate a trendy color into your decor without spending too much money. I think I may have been a little early on the periwinkle trend because I also checked out Kirkland's and a few other places, but they still had all their Christmas stuff out. I think this periwinkle thing will evolve as we get a little further into the year, so why not make your own periwinkle home decor in the meantime? Something about periwinkle reminds me of winter. I think it's the perfect transition color after you've taken down any holiday decorations. So if you are looking for periwinkle DIYs, I'll link a video I did with some winter periwinkle crafts. And if you were inspired today, please click that subscribe button for more home decor ideas every week. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!